I wanted to become a police officer. My father was a police officer and my two younger brothers are police officers. And when it came time to get into the academy, my father suggested that I might go to law school. And when I got into the courtroom, it was a place I wanted to be. I loved the adrenaline of it.
I love trials.
I loved it even more because I was helping good people. If you've been arrested for an OUI, you're panicked. You've lost your license. It's going to affect your job, your life, your family. I understand that. I have a wife. I have children. I have to work. If all that was lost for me, I would be panicked just as you are. Just because you've been arrested for an OUI, you're not a bad person. This can happen to anybody. What you need to do now is find a lawyer, a specialist that can lay out your options for you and make the best of a horrible situation and get you through it.
I'm in the left turn only lane waiting for the left arrow to take. I had fallen asleep at the wheel. I don't know if it was a minute or 5, and an officer's rapping on my window with a flashlight. I didn't know exactly what I was going to be up against at that moment. Then I came to find out he wanted to push this into a DUI case. What immediately went through my mind was, I cannot go to jail. I have too many people relying upon me. After speaking with Jay on my case, I knew I got the right guy. I'm confident that my life is in his hands and he's going to do the best he can do to give me the chance that I need. He specializes in DUI. He knows the ins and outs. That's where his experience comes from. He's the man to get if you need help with a DUI.
I got stopped in a DUI checkpoint. I stepped out of the car and the next thing you know, I was being put in handcuffs and on my way to the police station. I didn't know who to call, what to do. I didn't know any of the next steps, and that was definitely the most petrifying thing. I had gotten a reference about Jay, and it was my first phone call. He makes you feel comfortable, he makes you feel great. He doesn't make you feel like you're a criminal, and you really do feel like you're getting someone who's fighting for you with him.
This is exclusively an OUI firm. I've been practicing for 20 years. I lecture across the state on OUI issues. It could be breath testing, blood issues. There's a lot of nuances. You need to hire a specialist. I'm one of the 3 board certified OUI lawyers in Massachusetts, which means this is what I do every single day. Your OUI may have been a mistake. There are no second chances in how you handle this case. So you need to hire a lawyer that specializes in OUIs, and that's what my firm is here to do.